Yeonggaksa-gil Yeonggaksa Temple. Today I am going to take you to a beautiful temple in Siheung, Ansan, South Korea. It is a wonderful place and has rich land with vegetation. Let's explore the beautiful temple land. It was the Bu처님 Osinal Day, the celebration of Lord Buddha's birthday. We have arrived here at the end of celebration. The decorations look so peaceful and beautiful to the eyes. These are Korean lanterns. Let's explore the inside of the temple and worship Lord Buddha on this special day. It was so beautiful, and there were a few people preparing snack packets to donate to the nearby village houses, which is a special good deed that is often done during this special day. The inner decorations are so beautiful and mind-blowing, and almost all the Buddhist temples in South Korea look so beautiful just like this. Namo Buddhaya. The truth of this world was revealed by Lord Buddha, and I love worshipping Lord Buddha with all my heart. This is a special activity that can be observed only on this day. I love this, and we have to bow the statue with respect. This is the place where anyone could light a lamp, wishing good to all living beings on this earth. A beautiful outside lamp statue made of cement. It is often lighted during the night when the sun goes down. A giant bell is often seen in many temples. An amazing beauty indeed. This dragon water fountain fancied me a lot. I hope you like it too. It is so peaceful to worship. Mind, body, and soul was purified. There is a souvenir shop to buy and donate for the temple. I had a wonderful time and it was such a great place to visit. Stay tuned to watch more and be safe. Thank you. Bye for now.